Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Janelle and today I'm just going to be filming a get ready with me. I have a lunch party to go to today, so I just wanted to...
That's my mom.
Yeah. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to record my makeup look today.
So Mom's kids, so this is my mom and she's sitting at home. Mommy, right Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Right Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Alright, so today I'm going to be using this Hangover primer by Too Faced. Let's see, can you see that? Is it too bright? There we go. I usually use a mattifying primer, but this winter season has been crazy on my skin, and my skin has been super dry, so I'm not going to be using mattifying primer today. This is my actual first time trying this primer. I use a setting spray all the time.
Right guys, right Mom?
Okay, yeah. So yeah, I use the setting spray all the time and I love the setting spray, so I decided to try the primer. So I'm going to be using this today to see how it works. Yep. Okay. It feels super moisturizing. Like, it feels like a moisturizer actually. Oh yeah. Oh. Ooh. This feels absolutely amazing. Oh my god. Yeah, I just knew I was gonna like this primer because I love the setting spray. Oh, bitch. Okay.
I found a tip.
I see you. And for foundation, y'all already know what time it is. It's Fenty time. Like, and I'm using my beauty blender to blend it up. I've been loving brushes lately to blend out my foundation. But today I decided I miss using my beauty blender for foundation, but I don't know, I might switch to a brush because I don't know how I feel. Like, it's so weird. I'm gonna switch to a brush. So I usually use this kabuki brush. It's part of a brush set that I got from Amazon actually. It's the I Love Cause brush. I don't know, I got it for like mad cheap on Amazon and I love this brush, and it came in a set. So
Got dip.
so now I'm gonna go over with the beauty blender. Just to kind of push everything into my skin. Yeah, that worked out so much better. Like with the brush first and then the beauty blender. Alright, so I'm gonna go with my Fenty concealer. I don't know what powder I want to use today. I don't know if I want to use the new Fenty powder or if I want to use my Laura Mercier powder. I think I'm gonna go with Laura. Powerful brows, which I'm gonna do that off camera. Thank you. I'm gonna do my brows off camera because it's time consuming. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so my brows are done. Now I'm gonna be using my Too Faced gingerbread palette. I actually bought this over holiday season. I was planning on using it then, but I hadn't used this because I was pregnant. I'm still pregnant, but I was in the first trimester of my pregnancy and I felt like completely another shit, so I haven't used it. So this is what it looks like. Okay, it's so cute, and of course it's Too Faced, so it smells like gingerbread. So this is actually another brush from the brush set that I was telling you guys from Amazon, the I Love Cause brush set, and I'm gonna go into this pink color right here for my transition color. Actually, I actually bought this palette because of these two colors, like Gumdrop and that color. It's like when I saw those colors, I was like, I need the entire palette, and I need it. Like, I need it. So that's why I actually bought this palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually just and just put it in here. I'm gonna go into the Spices Nice color, that orange color. Huh? Okay. Okay. Well, I'm not really liking that brush, so I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop brush. Like, I want to use this color, obviously, but I also want to use this color. So, but I don't know, like, do I put like the shimmer here and then like that there, or do I put that there and then the shimmer in front? Build it into the shimmer, I think. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay down some concealer so I can get the color pay off. Okay, and then I'm going everywhere, and I'm gonna take this brush that I used to clean up my eyebrows, and I'm just blend it out. And I'm gonna take this light color right here, it's called Looky at My Cookie, and I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so maybe I have to use my finger for this. Guys, this look is it's not really coming out how I want it to. So I'm gonna go in with hot toddy, which is that shimmer shade right here. I'm using my finger because ooh, hi. Oh my god! And I'm just going in on the outer part of that. Ooh. Work out that this look is not what I thought it was gonna be, so I'm actually just gonna take hot toddy and put it over my entire lid. Okay, look close. Hotmess.com. So yeah, guys, that did not work out. I thought it was gonna work out. That was an absolute fail. Okay, absolute fail. So we're just gonna take hot toddy and we're gonna put that all over the lid. And bam, we're done with that. I'm going to go into this reindeer paws color right here, just to deepen up the outer area. Okay. It's okay. I press that and just a little bit. And I'm going to switch to this brush. I'm going to place it with the orange color on there, wherever is left with the orange color on there. And blend it. So I'm going to go back into this palette. The Frost Bite Me color. I don't know. Let me try it because... Ooh. Okay. Alright, so I'm taking that Frostbite Me color right here and using that as my inner corner highlighter, highlight, whatever you want to call it. It's just a nice silvery looking color. And you might want to wet it because it's actually like a really flaky, chunky pigment. Ooh. So I say you gotta spray it. Hold on. Let me just spray it. Let me see how it works. It's weird. It's literally like, oh, that's it's so chunky, y'all. Looks like I got powder in my eyes, bro. What is going on with my life right now? Oh my god, that's so chunky. Oh my god. Yeah, that just looks like there's powder in your eyes. Like crack. Cocaine or something. Okay. I mean, it's pretty actually. I just gotta blend it out really well. Because it's super chunky. Like, you gotta blend the chunks. But it's... Bitch, where you going? You only going to lunch. You only going home. Bitch. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara off camera and I'll be back with the final look. Okay, so I'm back and this is the final look. I actually like the way that this came out. It's not what I envisioned in my head though, like it's not at all, but I actually still really like it. It's like a nice pretty pink look. You know, it could be like a Valentine's Day look or whatever too, like, you know. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I actually just got home from the event that I went to, because I did not have time to come back and film it after I was freshly done with the makeup because I was running late already. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and I actually am pretty happy with how this came out. So if you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below, whatever, you know, let me know if you liked it or not. Like, don't forget to subscribe while you're here, like, what? But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.